Today I'm gonna show you how to make a miniature lava lamp. For this craft you will need some water, a little bottle, food coloring, oil, a paper towel, and a Sharpie. First I'm gonna show you how to take the sticker off the shampoo bottle. First you pull it off. If you see the sticky stuff, you can just put some of your oil on a paper towel and rub it off. So after you finish wiping it off, you should wash off the oil so it's not all slippery. Now you're gonna put the oil in the bottle. It would be a good idea to put it like halfway. This is a really small opening and I can't unscrew the cap off, so I have to do it over the bird bath because I might spill. Should have done this over a frying pan, but luckily olive oil is good for your skin. So I poured a bit too much oil in here. It would be a good idea just to have it 3/4 of the way. So pause the video and give it a thumbs up if you think I should pour it on myself, and a thumbs down if you think I should pour it on the candle. So I just realized that since I'm making the video right now, I can't get the thumbs up and down. So I'm going to pour some on myself and some in the candle. Okay, now I'll pour some on the candle. Okay, I'm done. So it's really cool when the food coloring goes in the bottle. So I'm going to try and make turquoise. I'm going to do 1 drop of green. And 1 drop of blue.
Does that go in there?
Yeah. So now I'm going to shake it up. So it's really cool because it's blue dots and green dots. Okay, so now I'm going to add the water over the bird bath. And fill it to the top this time. Now, shake it up. Now it's some weird thing. I think I should call this a bubble aquarium. but it might happen. So all the bubbles are probably going to set down into that big green blob, and then it'll be oil and bubbles, and then you can shake it up again, and then it'll be reactivated. So I'm gonna add these fruit sprinkles, but you can add glitter otherwise. I don't really know what's gonna happen when I add them to it. Here's my water. Okay, so I think I know why they're doing this in the bottle and not there. It's because, so those are attaching to the water because they don't want to go in the oil, and those don't want to go in the water. So it's kind of like these are trapped in the water because they even more don't want to go in the oil. Okay, so if you want, you could decorate this bottle with Sharpie, but otherwise you're done. Bye.